activity. And you have your activity here.
Like this.
Like this, Gabriel.
Oh, nakita nyo na? Magiging ganito na siya. Kasi yung both sides, pinol nyo. Yan o.
Ano ba yan, sister? Ano yung Linda? Ano yung gagawin? Racket?
Ball. Paper ball.
Ball.
Paper ball.
Meron ako alam na mas mabilis.
Paper ball. Tingnan ko nga yung mga gawa ng ating material. Justin. How about you?
Paper ball.
Oh, very good. Ayan. Step na ha. Hawakan mo lang. Finish ka na. This one. Wait, kabila din.
Sino nakagawa ng paper ball?
Paper ball. Ang kagandahan kasi nito, Tatay Ramel, magbo-blow sila ng balloon.
Ito, gagawa ko ng ball. Oh, bilis. Ang bilis, oh. Ang bilis paper ball.
Oh, yan. You hold mine.
Ball ng
Yes, that's
tamad.
yours, okay? Your nose
Oh,
bleeding.
blow, blow, blow. Turo mo pa
First,
paano
opening the
blow.
color.
Para makunan natin.
No,
yung
not yet.
product.
Oh, finish. Everybody finish. Including Nanay Lolit. Yes, we're finished. You look for the buntot. This one, the buntot.
The tail.
The tail. You look for the tail, like this one, this one. You have, ito, this one is the tail, that one. And then, you
Which one's the tail?
open this one. Open and put the tail inside.
Komplikado.
Like that. How about you? You put the tail inside. Tago mo yung buntot, Nanay, sa loob. Like this, oh. Nay, ganyan, oh. Yung buntot, ipasok mo doon. Tago mo, kahit makulupot yan, basta maitago.
Dito.
Yan nga, ito mo, ito. Ayan, yan, ang buntot.
Itago ko sa?
Isuksok mo. Buksan mo to. Buksan mong side na to. Oh, may compartment siya. Suksok mo siya. Suksok lang yan, mga buntot. Just let me see your work. Yan, oh. Kita mo, meron siyang ano siya. May tagon siya doon, parang packet. You open and then you put the buntot inside. Yan, itago mo yung buntot sa loob. Ganyan. O, diba? Lahat ng buntot mo sa lahat. Yan, open mo dyan.
Si Teacher Lolit natututo rin.
Dito, diba? May buntot din. Suksok mo rin dyan, ha? O, ganyan. How about you, Alexis?
Finish, Gabriel?
Gabriel, come here, sweetheart.
Where's Gabriel? Here is your, come. You know how to do it already? By yourself? Huh? You know? You keep on playing. You watch teacher, oh, do it, oh. Like this, oh. Then,
Yes, teacher.
it takes time.
Teacher
Kaya,
Joban.
we need patience.
Tapos na ikaw. Pa po.
See? Patience is a virtue.
Amen. Amen, Gabriel.
Oh, see? And then, yan. Hawakan mo, ha? Hawakan mo yung work. Oh, tapos ka na. That's it. Yan.
Good.
You open first. Open mo muna kasi siya. Yan. Oh, open. Then, suksok ka tail. I-fold. Basta yan mo lang siya. Dalang sa
Teacher Lolit made it. Blow, blow, blow.
See, we already have the paper balloon.
Ball.
Paper ball or balloon. Kasi binublow
Balloon,
eh.
hindi naman umano.
Eh, binublow, tatay eh. Di ba?
Walang stick eh.
Oh, yan, di ba? Pwede nyo rin gagawing stick yung mga buntot. Pwede nyo rin siya gagawing stick.
Hawakan mo muna ha.
Wise ah.
Yay!
Yay!
Very nice prize.
First honor.
First honor,
Teacher
Nanay Lolit.
And Gabriel too.
Gabriel too.
And
Finish.
Frank.
Yay.
See,
Done?
the others?
Done all?
And Justin.
Yes, that's it.
Very good.
Oh, di alam nyo na gawin. Kung pinapapagawa ko kayo uli, alam nyo na.
Charlie.
Alam niyo na, si Justin Charlie yan. Justin Charlie. Okay, pinicturean mo na, nagawa na ng ball. Okay, you give it to your mommy mamaya, ha? Okay, you put it here. Put it all your works after, ha? Very good. We congratulate ourselves. Congratulations! Nagawa namin. Yan, yung ginagawa ni Teacher Juban, pwede kasi siya na maging flower din. Diba? Yung ginawa natin kanina, biniblow natin sa balon siya, di ba? Pero pag gawin natin siyang bulaklak, ganito ang mangyayari yan. Hindi natin siya itutuloy na ganyan. Kung gusto nyo bulaklak ang gagawin natin, flower, paper flower, hindi na siya isusuksok. Ganito na siya. Ganyan na, parang ito yung petals niya. Nagets mo, Nay? Pagka gusto nyo bulaklak ang mangyari, hindi na natin siya isusuksok. Ganyan na siya. Ganyan na mangyayari sa kanya. Yun yun sa'yo, ilagay ko lang dyan. You keep it there so that you will give it to your mommy and daddy later when you go out. Okay? Okay. I know, you're very good. See, like this. So, naging petal siya, Nay. Yeah, this is the flower now. And then you're going to put now the stick at the butas. Di bulaklak na siya. Tulips na lang siya. Tulips, flower. Diba? Tulips, flower. So, yung pamagawa ng tulips flower, karambol at saka flower ang ibigay niyo.
Wow! Beautiful!
Oh.
You like it?
Nakuha sila na rin. Flower ulit at home. Diba? And you can give it to mommy and daddy later.
Ay.